Welcome and thank you for joining me today. My name is Dr. Cheri Ong at the Ong Institute in Scottsdale, Arizona. Female rejuvenation procedures are opportunities for you to either restore or transform your body. I'm a double board certified plastic surgeon with specialized training in these type of procedures. In fact, this is what I do all the time. Women want to improve the appearance of the intimate areas even more, feel more comfortable in the clothing they wear, and also have the freedom to do the activities they enjoy. I want to show you that you can feel confident and sexy. Through this process, I think you will empower yourself with information you need to make the right decision. This is a life-changing procedure, and I want that change to be a positive one.